Now, how to close and reopen your Excel sheet. Like, there are many ways. Click checkbox, click file menu and close, exit Excel and Alt F4 to also close. And this is dialog box. Do you want to save the changes you made to book 1.docs.cs? Yes to all. Book 1.docs.cl, book 2. This is file save and how to reopen it. Microsoft Office, Excel, and open recent document and open to also dialog box and book 1. Book 2, book 1 DOS. Now we can see how to enter a formula to calculate our database. We can two-way this function key to create a formula, and other way click equal button to create a formula and brackets 1050 and Control D to paste the formula, and the formula D3E3. D3 means mango, price and order kg. Now formula to all under rows like this. Control D, select and Control D. Now we can change our price to automatically calculate this formula. I can change banana price 35 to 20. Look like that, 600. 20 into 30 is equal to 600. Save it. You can modify anything. Formula will calculate your data automatically. Now we can use spatial to this data and copy to here. Now we can change our data mango like 90 to formula will be calculate your data, but I want not formula calculate our data, so I want to use spatial copy and spatial like special option, paste all formula values, format, comment, validation, and multiple divide operators. You can paste I only values. So formula, not formula is gone, only values, copy and paste. Now I can change my data. Mango 110 to 90. Nothing happened because I use paste values only. Now use formula using another formula, but I can find any data in the sheet. It is important because find, replace, go to special, formula, comment. You can find anything in this sheet area. Find banana. Now find next, find all, find banana, find next, find all. To cell number, value, sheet number and file name. Now find and replace banana to custard apple. Replace banana to custard apple. Replace all banana to custard apple. It can use find, replace, go to, shortcut key F5, find shortcut key Control F, formulas. It can only show formulas. This special only value copy. Now clear formats. Clear all to clear all data, and clear formats meanings like this column, date, fruit, per kg, format in yellow color, red color, font color red. Clear formats to formatting clear. Now we can use symbol and format.